Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. This is another Patreon supporter appreciation giveaway. So for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel and keep it going. And each month, I just randomly pick 2 Patreon supporters, and this is just something I do on the side as a way of saying thank you to those awesome people. And yet 2 random people will receive a prize. So let's quickly go over the prize, and then I'll announce the winners. So this month, doing something a little different. Number one, the biggest thing here is the size of the fishhook keychain. The whole concept behind this is, that this hooks onto your belt buckle or pants, and this hangs down. And you can put your keys on here, but the fishhook is a lot smaller. This is actually a mini fishhook, so much lighter, much more inconspicuous. Here it is next to my one I carry normally. This one's pretty beat up. As you can see, it's quite smaller than fishhook. So yeah, a lot easier to carry perhaps. It's something I'm trying out. And we just did a nice stitching pattern on this cobra knot, right? And we did that with the natural brass hardware, and of course the Weavers of Eternity hand stamped tag. All right, so the winners will be getting one of these, and also probably just a couple little random goodies, paracord related stuff that I'm going to throw in as well. All right, so the winners for this month's giveaway are Barnabas H and Derek KW. So congrats to you guys. Thank you for supporting me on Patreon, and thank you to all Patreon supporters. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So I will be emailing those winners out shortly to get their shipping details, and yeah, that is it. So guys, remember, I do have exclusive tutorials on Patreon if you want to check that out, but if not, don't worry about it. Of course, I'll always be making free videos, of course, to the best of my ability. Patreon is just something I do on the side to, ensure that this channel can continue. All right. So thank you for watching. Thank you to all Patreon supporters and all viewers and subscribers. I will see you guys on the next video.